The most we were able to make on the stock VGT on a max effort tune was 489.
Running only stock injectors in a tune, Spencer then added a Turbonator INT Turbo to his Cummins before running it on the dyno for a second time.
Just dropping in DPS's Turbo, we bumped all the way up to 585, and we almost made 1,300 foot-pounds of torque. So quite a massive gain in power and torque just by putting this turbo on and having the same drivability that the stock turbo had. And we also have an exhaust brake again that we can control through their electronic system.
On Instagram, Travis Tortoridge of Colorado, known as Black Mountain OBS, commented, "With all the changes this truck has seen over the years, it's this turbo with a diesel power source Turbonator that is the biggest bang for the buck. Everything we do to these trucks seems to provide slight incremental improvements with several unexpected cons. Not this. This is a massive improvement with what I think is zero cons. I could not be happier."